Here's a neat trick to do. It's an easy 3-card Monte. The object of this game is to keep your eye on the money card. The money card is the red 9. That's the only one that you're going to need to keep your eye on. Pay no attention to the 2 black cards. They're worthless. Okay? So you need to pick the money card. It's 3 cards here, 2 black, 1 red money card, the red 9. Okay? Go ahead and put your finger on the red 9, the money card. Let's see how you did. I have the 2 black cards, so this should be the money card and you win. But unfortunately, you lose. And that's easy 3-card Monte. And before I tell you how this trick is done, please like and subscribe for more magic tutorials. This is a really easy trick. All you're gonna do is build this gimmick here. So you're gonna need 2 black cards, a red card, and then a red joker or a custom printed card. And I'll show you how to make the gimmick. So you get your 2 black cards and your red card, and you're gonna need a piece of tape for this. You wanna spread your cards out on the table to make it look like they're fanned out. With the exception of this corner is gonna be hidden with your finger. Okay, so you wanna worry about this first black card and the red card. Now the red card, the top of the red card should be below the first black card. So that's how you wanna organize these cards. So you have the black card, the red card, the black card, and the red card top left corner is below this black card. And you just kind of want to spread them out so it looks like they're fanned out, and you want some of these pips on the black card showing too. So that kind of looks good. So once you have this spread out, just take that card away, and then without moving it too much, you can position it again. Okay, it's below the tip, it's fanned out. Get a piece of Scotch tape, just clear tape, just a little piece for this part. Peel off a piece and then bend one of the sides of the tape just over. That just makes it easier to peel off later, because this is just a placeholder piece of tape. It's just going to temporarily hold these 2 cards together. Okay, just put it right there so these 2 cards are taped together. This doesn't have to look good, it's just temporary, it's just a placeholder. And then flip this card, the red card, over. Okay, so you have something that looks like that. Now get a regular piece of Scotch tape. Okay, no bends in this one. And then just tape a piece to connect these 2 cards, and it's going to act like a hinge. So push this one down good, because you're going to want it to stay in place. And then bend this card over again. Peel this piece off and throw it away. You don't need this piece anymore. Okay, so now you have something that looks like this. So when they're spread out, they'll look like that. And if you get some tape over like I did, you can always reposition this card and then push it down really good. And it's better to do it on a hard surface. I'm using the mat, so it makes it a little bit difficult. But these are all old cards. You need old cards because you're gonna destroy this red card. Okay, so we pushed it down. And so when you have them fanned out, they'll look like that. Okay? Now, you're gonna need a pair of scissors, and then you're gonna cut around the red card. And it's easy if you turn them over. You just kind of go in a little bit and just cut this card so when they're turned over, you can't see any part of the red card. And then you can do a little touch up if you get a little here, like that. So you can you'll end up with a gimmick that looks something like that. Now you're gonna get your, I used a joker. You can use, if you can print on cards with your inkjet printer, you can use something like this. If you have like business cards made on cards, and even the backing can be a different color than the other two cards, it still works. So you take your joker, slide it in under the red card, between the red and the black card, and the tape will prevent it from going too much this way. And then get your other black card, place it over top like that, and you cover this part with your thumb. And when you hold the cards, it looks like there's, just 3 regular, 2 black and a red card. And you just keep, turning them over. You say, keep your eye on the red card, that's the money card, in this case the red 8. Put your finger on the red card, and then they'll put their finger, you slide these 2 out, and when you do that, you slide this one over with your thumb to show that there's 2 black cards. But really you have this, but you just slide with your thumb over, okay? And then you reveal the 3rd card. I think, yeah, this one has a different back, so let's show you what it looks like with that one. So I have 2 black cards and a red card. Make sure you cover any part that you cut with your thumb. The red card even has a different color back, so keep your eye on that one. That's the money card. They'll do that. Twist this, pivot the first card over, so you cover up your gimmick, and you can turn it over slowly and make sure you covered all the gimmick, because you just want them to see these 2 cards. And then, boom, you do the reveal. And you can just square these cards up. From the back it looks like just 2 regular cards, but from the front you have, the gimmick and then a regular card. So that's easy 3-card Monte. It's really easy to make. It's really impressive trick. People get fooled. And it's a good way, if you have a custom card, to hand out to guests, or if you're doing like a corporate event, you can custom print logos on, different cards and hand those out too. Please let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe.